And so, but if you're looking for me, I'll be on the platform.
Excuse me.
Million times. Yes. I'm so sorry. I'm not gonna lie. I thought that one was good. Adesso pa.
Is that a burp?
Tyler, what do you think that was? Ew. I can feel it. I can feel it.
And I know some people are gonna be like, well, yeah, obviously it's because you're not closing your mouth. I think there's another burp coming. I'm done. We're done.
But I guess I was really thirsty.